Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet a very easy multi-strand scarf. So let's get started. Welcome to Hectanuga 1. If you find the videos too fast, you can slow them down by clicking on the gear icon below the video. To make this easy scarf, you can use any size yarn and any size hook. I'm going to use my largest hook today, and that's 11.5. And I'm going to use this very bulky yarn. Start with a slip knot. Start with a foundation chain. And your foundation chain should measure 76 centimeters, so around 30 inches. And you have to keep track of the number of stitches. So I had 35 stitches. And now I'm going to slip stitch to join, being careful not to twist the chain. Slip stitch to join. Now I'm going to chain one. And I'm going to single crochet in 5 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So I had 35 stitches, and I single crocheted in 5. So now I'm going to subtract that 5. So that leaves me 30 chain stitches. So I'm going to chain an additional 10 stitches for each progressive strand. So chain 40. Okay, I've gone ahead and I've chained 40. So you come back over to the single crochets, being careful not to twist the chain. Slip stitch in the first stitch, chain 1, and then single crochet in each of these 5 single crochet. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I had 40 chain stitches for that chain. Now I'm going to chain 50. So 1. Okay, I have chained 50. And again, I'm going to come over to the first single crochet, being careful not to twist the chain. Come over to that first single crochet, slip stitch to join, and fasten off. And I sewed a button on the section where I had the single crochets. And that's how easy it is to crochet this multi-strand scarf.